I lost $5,000 in 2021, and that included... No, it wasn't. It was $10,000. You're forgetting staff salaries. Get out. Sorry. I lost $10,000 in 2021, and that included staff salaries plus operating expenses that I had saved for 6 months for a startup I just started. Pun intended.
We got it.
What was my mistake? The oldest one in the book. I treated savings like it was an investment. See, the problem was I needed a protocol that I could just temporarily lock funds for everyday things like rent, staff salaries, or even save for vacation. But there was none. I wish there was one. BM, I'm Carla God, and my team and I built a savings protocol to help income earners save on chain without losing their savings to inflation, market volatility, or DeFi complexity. You know, you could just say stable coins. Get out. Jeez. So how did we build Bitsave? First, we did not want any pool that a hacker could drain from new deposits. Next, we wanted users to be able to customize their own savings goals. Then, we wanted to help users be disciplined with their savings, and so we integrated a penalty fee. Put all this together, and you get a SafeEye protocol that everyday income earners can use. In 2022, we started work on the maths, the smart contract, the pseudocode, flowchart, and the white paper. I actually traveled to Ibadan and rented a hotel room for 2 nights so my team and I could create the maths and the logic for Bitsave contracts. Once the maths was done, everything was in place to give income earners a simple tool for their personal finance and goal-oriented savings. It's easy. Just hear from our users.
Amazing stuff. Simple. For someone who's trying to get into the Web3 space, I feel like this is very simplified.
Our goal is to reach 1,000 users before Q3 ends. So join our community of income earners who are taking their personal finance seriously, beginning with how they save on chain. And to every African builder, don't be afraid to be number one, and don't be afraid to be the first. Isn't that the same thing? Number one, first, get out. Jeez. To every African builder, don't be afraid of being number one, and don't be afraid of being the first. Thank you.